Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be going over how to create a poll within Discord. So let's go ahead and hop into a text channel here. I'm just going to go into beginners. Then I'm going to click this plus sign up here and then we can go poll. So let's go ahead and ask a question. Let's say, what's the best starter Pokemon? All right, I'm going to say Mudkip here, give some answers. What are some other starters? I'm going to say Charmander. All right, then I'll just say that. Now we can set the duration here, anywhere from 1 hour to 2 weeks. I'm just going to set it here. We can allow multiple answers, and then boom, we can go ahead and post it. Now we can do the selection and then vote. All right, and then we could remove the vote here. But that's how you create a poll within Discord. This is a pretty new feature, and I'm pretty excited about it. Hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a like. You can check out more Discord tutorials in the description down below.